Hello, I'm Ethan Oberst of the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by American Gelbvieh Association. Gelbvieh and Balancer are the smart, reliable, and profitable choice. Learn more about genetics and the programs that are meeting modern industry demands by visiting gelbvieh.org. Once again, the cattle on feed report came as a surprise to most of the industry as placements were 13% larger than year-ago levels, well above the average trade guess, and cattle on feed was 5% larger. There are 550,000 more cattle on feed on October 1st this year relative to 2016. This is the sixth largest cattle on feed number for October 1st in the last 20 years. Given that this is also a quarterly on feed report, the USDA also publishes the number of heifers on feed. This number only slightly increased to 35.9%, less than a 0.5% increase since the last quarterly report on July 1st. Expansion levels can be measured by this number, as any number below 36.5% is considered expansion. The percent of heifers on feed has increased since 2015, where it hit a low of 31%, trending closer to long-term average and back towards stabilization. This will be important to monitor over the next several years to track heifer and cow herd expansion or contraction. Of the major feeding areas, both Texas and Nebraska show the largest increases to cattle on feed numbers, increasing nearly 150,000 head in each region. Nebraska was fueled by a large placement number, and Texas has maintained a large cattle on feed number due to a marketing number that's tracked near or below year-ago levels. September placements were the largest that we have seen in the last 6 years. Year-to-date placements are now 1.4 million head larger than 2016 levels. A majority of those placements have been in the form of animals over 700 pounds, an 800,000 head increase. However, we will start to see that number drift back in favor of lighter weight placements, as the next 3 months are the historically largest 3 months of the year in terms of placements for animals under 700 pounds. September's average placement weight was equal to 2016 and several pounds lower than August. Average placement weights will continue to decline as more calves are placed on feed. The number of cattle on feed for both 120 and 150 plus days has trended well under year-ago levels. These numbers historically will trend lower through the next several months as well. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.cattlefax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor.